smartphone has become an essential part of our life. To some people, phone is more important than a computer, and some people sit at computer all day, but they still have to check the phone at regular interval for a certain thing. What about controlling Android phone from PC? Controlling Android phone from PC could be convenient and it will solve your most of the problem. So in this video I have decided to share some method to control your Android smartphone from PC. Advantage of controlling Android from PC. You can receive and make call from PC. You can easily send and receive SMS from PC. Controlling Android phone from PC can also enable file transfer feature. That means you can transfer files from your smartphone to PC. You can better manage your smartphone. So these are some advantages of controlling your smartphone from your PC. Now, how to control your smartphone from PC? Number 1. AirDroid. Well, AirDroid is one of the best and most popular app to transfer your file, available for Windows, Android, iOS and Linux. With AirDroid, you can manage your Android smartphone from PC. So it requires an active Wi-Fi connection. So first download AirDroid from the Play Store and install on your Android smartphone. Then you will be asked to sign in or sign up. But if you have an active Wi-Fi connection, then just configure Wi-Fi network. Now select Wi-Fi setting and connect your default Wi-Fi network and go back to the home screen. Now from your PC browser, go to web.airdroid.com. Then you will see the QR code. Now simply open the AirDroid app on your Android device and scan the QR code shown in the computer screen. Now you are successfully connected to the Android phone with your PC. Now you can control your Android device. Now you can upload files, download files, or you can make calls, you can see messages, you can see photos and videos, or transfer files from Android device to your PC. Anyways, you have the full control on your Android phone via PC. Number 2. Using TeamViewer Quick Support. Remotely control another computer, smartphone, tablet. TeamViewer provides easy, fast and secure remote access, and it is already used on 1 billion devices worldwide. First of all, download and install TeamViewer Quick Support on your Android smartphone and TeamViewer software on your computer. Now open the app. Then you will be given the ID which you have to enter in your computer. Now open the TeamViewer on your computer and enter the partner ID and click on connect to partner. Now on your Android, allow the remote control. Now you will be able to control your smartphone from your computer. MirrorGo. Well, if you are searching for an Android app that allow you to mirror and record your Android screen on your computer, then MirrorGo will be the best option for you. Guess what? MirrorGo is highly popular among mobile gaming, as it not only allow you to mirror but also you can record your gameplay on PC, and it has mouse and keyboard support also. So these are the best apps that allows you to control your Android smartphone from your computer. So if you know any other software or any other app, then make sure you comment down below. And if you like this video, please hit a like button, and if you are new to the channel, please hit subscribe. So I'll see you back on next video with a new topic. This was Mr. Jerry signing off.